This video will guide you through the installation on level deck surfaces. Please understand all instructions completely before starting any part of the installation. Prior to starting an installation of any aluminum railing project, ensure you have the proper tools and safety protection. We recommend the following tools: miter saw with carbide-tipped non-ferrous blade, cordless drill, tape measure, level, and safety glasses, 3/16" drill bit, 6" No. 2 square drive bit, optional bottom receiver jig. Each post kit includes an aluminum post tube with attached base plate, post cap, and 2-piece base plate covers, and an install guide. Post to deck mount screws, anchors, are sold separately. Deck panel kits include pre-assembled aluminum rail panel, top and bottom rail snap covers, support leg, hardware to attach the railing panel to 2 posts, and an install guide. Please note, a helpful tool to purchase is our rail clip jig and touch-up paint kit. With the rail clip jig, center and corner posts are accurately assembled without the use of a tape measure. Level panels are available in 6 and 8-foot lengths and 36 and 42-inch heights. The actual length of 6-foot panels is 69.43 inches, and 8-foot panels are 91.31 inches. 3-inch posts are required to reach 6-foot and 8-foot lengths. Let's get started. First, we'll plan out and install the 3-inch posts. Note, 3-inch posts are required to reach 6-foot and 8-foot lengths. Install lower deck rail clippings using one of 2 options. Option A. When no lower rail clip jig is available, measure 2 7/8" from top of casting shoulder and place a pencil mark for location of the top edge of the rail clip. Center clip on post and secure with 2 No. 8 by 3/4 inch tack screws. Clips are included in the panel kits. Option B. Using lower rail clip jig, place lower rail clip jig on top of base plate upper edge with arrow facing base plate. Place clip in hole and fasten with 2 No. 8 by 3/4 inch tack screws. Clips are included in the panel kits. Install proper post blocking under each screw location. With 3/16" drill bit, pre-drill through deck boards and into blocking. Level and plumb posts using shims. For residential wood decks, secure posts to deck. Do not install post caps and 2-piece base plate covers until all panels are installed. Now we'll install the pre-assembled level panels. After all posts are secured and plumbed, clamp or hold the panel against 2 posts and adjust for equal end spacing. Mark the top and bottom rails and cut the panel 1/16" less than the opening size. Then clean the cut areas and apply touch-up paint on exposed ends. Slide the bottom panel of each pre-cut panel onto lower clip. Then insert clips onto top channel of panel on each end. Note, it is very important that clips are bottomed out inside the aluminum railing channel. Using 4 No. 8 by 3/4 inch tack screws, attach the upper 2 clips to the post using 8 No. 8 by 3/4 inch tack screws. Secure the upper and lower clips to the panel. Measure between posts at both the top and bottom. Then cut top and bottom snap covers 1/16" less than opening. Clean the cut areas and apply touch-up paint on all exposed metal. Snap each rail snap over the corresponding rail channel until properly seated. The snap covers should snap firmly onto the aluminum railing channels. Do not use a hammer. The top rails will snap by applying pressure from one end to the other. If you're having issues snapping on the covers, check the clips to ensure that they are bottomed out into the aluminum railing channels. For openings greater than 4 feet, install support legs under center of bottom rail. Slide support leg under bottom rail and mark. Remove support leg and install 2 deck screws at location of support leg. Then place support leg over screws. Using 1 No. 8 by 3/4 inch tack screw, secure the support leg to the bottom rail. Lastly, install the post caps and 2-piece base plate covers on all posts. Thank you for watching this video.